But to make this database really realistic, I had to pattern match it to real life situations from the NHS. And so it has a lot of tables, as you can see here. It has cost classification tables, social determinants of health factors, units of measurements, as you can see, and a lot of different tables. So staging tables, which simulates how data might be prepared before being inserted into the main reference table. And all of that to pattern match the real life situations at the NHS. And here let's do a demonstration for the Snomed concept table, where we're asking for concept ID, EduSnomed, and preferred item where it's active. And as you can see, we have a synthetic EduSnomed code for each concept, each clinical term. So here in SQL Server, we can see all the tables that implement the schema. So the Snomed concepts table stores the terminology concepts, and each record contains fields such as the concept ID, as we see here, the EduSnomed ID, which is the synthetic identifier, the Snomed CT ID, which simulates the format of a Snomed concept, and the preferred term, which is the description of the clinical term. As I said in the Snomed video, all the Snomed codes are in categories that are color-coded. And here's the dataset of the color-coded categories according to different factors. So the diagram shows the schema used to structure the dataset. The central table is the Snomed concept, which stores terminology concepts, including IDs and preferred clinical terms. The concepts are grouped using the Snomed category, which is also color-coded, such as findings or procedures. The code system table stores metadata about the system itself. And additional tables simulate supporting healthcare data structures, such as value sets and staging tables. Snomed is the largest clinical terminology system in healthcare, containing over 360,000 medical concepts representing diseases, symptoms, procedures, and observations. And within NHS England, Snomed CT is used across electronic healthcare record systems to ensure consistent and interoperable clinical. In this section, I will demonstrate the synthetic Snomed style dataset used to train the Snomed Sense Health Researcher GPT. The dataset was implemented using Microsoft SQL and is designed to simulate how clinical terminology systems as Snomed CT are structured and queried across the healthcare datasets. Also, it is important to clarify that this dataset is synthetic and does not contain the official Snomed CT release, but it replicates the structure of terminology systems in order to provide a safe environment for training and experimentation with AI systems and healthcare data models.